So we're gonna help you push it, okay? We'll put the hood down so that you can see, okay? We're gonna push for you, okay? Okay. It's right now. It's a good time. Ready? What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Right now we're cruising down here in Torrance Beach. I guess you can call it Rat Beach. There's a few different names for it. It's very clear out today, but it's nice today, guys. It's beautiful out. I'm gonna take you guys on a little adventure. I was supposed to meet up with the homie back there, but they're eating, so I'm just gonna do my own thing. I don't really feel like waiting right now. God, it's so nice out today. Grand Wagoneer. That thing is ugly. What the? I don't know. To me, it's kind of ugly. Oh, check this thing out. We got a Volkswagen bus over here. Oh, that thing is so cool with the pop-up top. I've never seen one with a pop-up top like that. Maybe I have and they just didn't have it up. I don't know. Sorry, buddy. I did not want to get stuck behind you. I love cruising through here and just enjoying like the scenery. The houses are nice up here. Like everything's just nice. For those of you guys that don't know this area, this right here, I think, would you guys consider this still Torrance Beach, Redondo Beach, the Riviera, or would this be considered Palos Verde already? I don't know. To me, it's all the same. Is moving. Nice. I literally just remembered that the traffic coming back is kind of horrendous. What is you doing, homie? If you're gonna split. The hell are you doing, dog? leave it to the guy on the scooter. Yeah, that there was some disrespect right there. Dude got like super close to hitting me, like on my shoulder. I don't even know why he pulled up on me like that. I think he was one of those like Uber Eats, like food delivery guys or something. No idea. MR2 clean as hell. Oh my god. Check out this view, guys. Isn't that wild? Oh no. What's going on up here? I picked like the worst time to come up here. Oh, this is no fun. May I remind you guys, I'm literally on my lunch break right now. I'm gonna show you guys another cool little spot. Since it's so nice and clear today, we're gonna go check this spot out real quick. One time for the one time. Looks like everybody's turning in right here. It is so nice out right now. My god. Like, it is so clear out, guys. Like, what is going on? You guys, I don't know if you know this, but in California, Southern California, the beginning of this month was horrible. It felt like December already. Like, it was foggy every single morning. Like, it was no fun riding to work. You couldn't see. God, that view is sick. So there's a house up here. I call it the White House. You guys are about to see why. because it literally looks like the White House, like a mini version, obviously, like smaller scale, but it looks like the White House. Okay, now that's a sick house. That house is badass. But you guys ready for the White House? Yes? Check it out. Isn't that crazy? Literally looks like the White House. Something smells like a rotten egg right now. It smells really bad. Oh my god. This guy's going faster than the other car. We're doing 33. The other guy was doing 20 on a regular road. Like, this is like some side road right here. The other guy was literally doing 20 miles an hour. There's just no way. Now we're doing 35. Alright. Dude, that's a really nice house too. I love coming up here and just looking at the houses. It's like my favorite thing to do. So yeah, guys, this is what I do on my lunch breaks. Because I work right next to Palos Verde, I just ride up here on my lunch breaks. I'll eat early real quick, and then I'll come up here for a little and then I'll come up here for a little ride, and just kind of unwind, decompress a little bit, you know. It's like the best thing to do, honestly. Like my shoe came undone. What is going on with that hood? Interesting. Oh, that house is looking nice too. Damn! Damn! I've never really like actually looked at the front of these houses right here. Some of these are really nice. And then they have a view like that? Like, come on. Oh. Come up here and do like a little hike. It's nothing hard, but just like a nice scenic little hike, you know. I think it'd be very enjoyable, very nice, very relaxing. I need to do an oil change on this bike soon. We're like 3,800 miles. Try to do it like every 2,500. So I'm gonna go the other way. Those are loud pops. I'm gonna go the other way because I don't want to hit all that traffic coming back down the hill. So I'm hoping I can swoop over and around and cut off a lot of that traffic, and we will see. I don't know what that lady was doing. She had the right of way. It was very nice of her though. I do notice that a lot of people do tend to let you go because you're on a bike, but it's like, dude, I'm on a bike, like, you go, I will go around, you know what I mean? Like, I appreciate it, but don't go out of your way to stop for me, because I can fit. I think you guys know what I mean by that. Damn, these houses are sick. Yeah, this weather is just so beautiful today. I know, guys, I'm squidding right now. I'm not wearing my jacket. I'm sorry, guys. I'm squidding. I'm wearing my pants and my shoes, my helmet, my gloves, but I am wearing a sweater right now, and I'm sorry, guys. But it just feels so nice. Look at these views. Oh, that's some breathtaking stuff. feels so good out. I said it like 20 times and I'll say it again. And here, check out that view. Oh my god. This is why I love living in Southern California, guys. I don't care how cheap it is to move inland, move to Texas, anything like that. I will not give up this life. Like, look at this. Look at this. Oh, it's so gorgeous out. Gotta take advantage of it while you can, because we got winter just around the corner. And as much as I love the cold and riding, or should I say riding, driving the Shelby, you can't compare to this. You really can't. It's amazing. Should I try my cruise control? Check it out, guys. I have cruise control on this bike. Look at that. And we're just maintaining. I use it once in a while when my hand starts to go a little numb. That's about it. Guy's car broke down. We're gonna run over and see if we can help him real quick. No, my car was on. See if we can help this guy. Hey, you wanna push? Yeah, we'll help you push it. Yeah, as soon as we have an opening right here, we'll run over there and then we can help this guy. I don't want him to be stuck in the middle like that. So we're gonna help you push it, okay?
Oh, thank you, but I cannot move the shift either.
Oh, it doesn't want to? There you go. Now it's in neutral. Here, we'll put the hood down, yeah, so that you can see. Okay, we're gonna push for you. Okay. Okay. It's right now. It's a good time. Ready? Okay. Oh man. Oh, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Turn, 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 turn. And right there. Oh, it's the car. Alright, you okay from there? Okay, we just want to get you out of the road. Okay, you have a good one, sir. Take care. Oh my god, I'm breathing so hard right now. I heard you the whole time. Yeah? Well, now I don't know. You just don't love me. Let's go. Alright, bro. I'll see you. Glad we got that guy off the road. I'll catch you, brother. And that, guys, is how you help somebody out on the side of the road. I am breathing so hard right now, and I didn't even do much. Anyway, guys, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, and we will catch you guys all in the next video. Peace.